I walk inside the airport. The airport is clean and bright. I see many people. I follow the signs. I go to passport control. The officer looks at my passport. He smiles and says, "Welcome." I feel relaxed. Then I go to get my luggage. I wait. My suitcase comes. I take my suitcase. Everything is okay. I walk outside the airport. I see many taxis. I go to one taxi. I say, "Hello. I want to go to my hotel, please." The driver says, "Sure." I get into the taxi. I sit by the window. I look outside. I see palm trees. I see the blue sky. I see the ocean. Hawaii is beautiful. The taxi stops. This is my hotel. The hotel is big and luxury. It looks very beautiful. I walk inside. The lobby is clean and bright. I see flowers and lights. I go to the front desk. I say, "Hello. I have a reservation." The receptionist smiles. She gives me my room key. I say, "Thank you." I feel happy and excited. I go into my hotel room. The room is quiet and comfortable. I put my bag down. I lie on the bed. I feel tired. So, I sleep for about 2 hours. I sleep very well. When I wake up, I feel fresh and happy. I look at the window. The view is amazing. I can see the ocean from my window. The sea is blue and beautiful. I stand up and stretch my arms. Then I change my clothes. I put on beach clothes. I wear a light dress and sandals. I look in the mirror. I feel ready for the beach. I go downstairs to eat. The hotel restaurant is very beautiful. The tables look nice. The food is well designed. People are sitting together. They are smiling and talking. People here are kind and social. I order pasta and shrimp. The food smells very good. I also order dessert. The dessert looks sweet and colorful. I take a bite. It is delicious. I really enjoy my meal. The ocean is very close to the hotel. I walk to the beach. I take off my clothes. I wear my swimsuit. I go into the water. The water is warm and clean. I swim for a while. I feel free and relaxed. I enjoy the ocean very much. After swimming, I meet some people. They are very friendly. We start talking. They are also traveling alone, like me. We become friends. I feel happy. We go to the beach together. We want to relax. We use sunscreen. We want to protect our skin from the sun. We lie on the sand. The sun feels warm. Later, we go to buy juice. We drink famous local juices. The juice is cold and fresh. It tastes great. We laugh and talk a lot. After a lot of fun, we change our clothes. Then we go shopping. The Hawaii market is very busy. There are many people. The prices are a little expensive. But the market is fun. We buy hats. We buy bracelets made of shells. I also buy some souvenirs. They are for my coworkers and friends. I feel happy shopping with my new friends. It is almost night. We go back to the hotel. We go to dinner together. We eat pizza. We drink cola. The food is simple but good. After dinner, we sit together and talk. We make a plan for tomorrow. We want to go surfing. I feel excited. I also feel a little scared. Surfing looks scary. But it is exciting. I say. It is a little scary, but it is worth trying. We smile and laugh. Then we say good night. And I go to sleep. The next morning, I wake up early. I feel happy and full of energy. I eat breakfast at the hotel. The breakfast is fresh and delicious. After breakfast, I meet my friends. We are ready for the day. We change our clothes. We wear special surfing clothes. We look at each other and laugh. We feel ready. We go to the ocean. The waves are big. I feel nervous. My heart beats fast. We get on our surfboards. We go into the water. The waves come. I try to stand up. At first, I fall into the water. But I try again. Then I stand up. I ride the wave. Wow! It feels amazing. The wind is on my face. The water is under my feet. We shout and laugh. We are very happy. Surfing is fun. It is scary, but exciting. We feel proud of ourselves. At night, we get ready again. We change our clothes. We go to a club. The music is loud. People are dancing. The lights are colorful. We dance together. We laugh a lot. The night is full of energy. We feel free and happy. The next day, we go to see dolphins. I feel very excited. We go into the water. The dolphins are friendly. They swim near us. They are smart and playful. Dolphins like to jump. They like to play with people. One dolphin swims next to me. I feel very happy. This is a special moment. I will never forget it. Hawaii gave me beautiful memories. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Daily and useful speaking. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.